Hey everyone, Sean here with Fly by Colorado. Today we're down here at the Pueblo Riverwalk. We're gonna fly the drone around, try and get some cool video and pictures. So what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of getting everything set up. Today I'm flying a Mavic Air 2. I like taking that to travel. It's pretty compact and it's got an excellent camera on it. Recently picked up an iPad mini to use for a screen to fly. You can see a lot more with that bigger screen, that's for sure. So I decided to go ahead and put my vest on. I put my vest on pretty much any time I'm flying. People get kind of sketchy about drones. They want to know who's flying it, where you're at, what you're looking at. So I figured if I stand out and I'm out in the open, they have nothing to worry about. It's up over there. Want to always make sure you have visual line of sight. What I'm doing now is I'm over here. We got these cool little statues in this bridge here. I'm going to try and capture some footage of that. Well, I was going to come over here and fly under this bridge. There's a bunch of ducks underneath there. You don't really want to be disturbing the wildlife, especially here in Colorado. Let's walk down the road a little bit. A little cold on the hands this morning. It's not much, but it's a cool little area over here. Little wilderness area added onto the Riverwalk there. Trying to get some cool footage over here, but it's pretty tight with all the trees and everything around. This is the third area I'm going to fly at the Riverwalk today. This is a cool area with the old veteran bridge, Brews Ale House, little statue, PBR. This is probably one of the highlight areas of the Pueblo Riverwalk. Had a dog last week, did not like the drone. He was pulling his owner around. Trying to hide from my own camera. I don't want to be in my own shot wearing a high-vis vest. Yeah, just a guy with a drone, not a peeping Sean either. it sucks it's empty now. I wish this was still filled with water. It's a really good shot. You wouldn't see all that other junk that's in there. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting up to do point of interest. I'm trying to set the interest point up around the statue so to do an orbit, make it messy. So on the screen here we got our height and our distance. I've changed everything to feet. When you get a DJI drone, everything comes in metric measurements. Tells you what your settings are for filming, your exposure settings. All right, so we just landed. That concludes our flight of the Pueblo Riverwalk today. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more drone stuff and more footage like this, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.